Before we get started, make sure that the sauna is unplugged from the wall outlet. Some tools that will be needed will be a small to medium-size ladder, and a Phillips head screwdriver or a power tool with a Phillips head attachment. Unscrew the screws and washers from the back dust cover. Remove the dust cover and set it aside. Unplug the wire connector. Unscrew the screws from the old smoke sensor. Remove the old smoke sensor by pulling straight up on the board after the screws have been removed. Place the new smoke sensor in position. Attach it by screwing in both screws. Plug in the wire connector to the smoke sensor. You can now plug the power cord back into the wall outlet. Check to see if the smoke sensor's indicator light comes on. Place the back dust cover into position, screwing in all the screws and washers.